December is ending with one of the most anticipated sneaker drops of the year, the A Ma Maniere X Air Jordan 4 built for this. Known for combining luxury with storytelling, A Ma Maniere delivers a dark mocha colorway that perfectly blends elegance and style. Dropping on December 19, 2025, this release is more than just a sneaker, it's a celebration of clarity, gratitude, and recognition after hard work. The packaging even features exclusive artwork by Jammie Holmes, emphasizing the brand's creative approach. Crafted with quilted interiors, smooth suede, reworked upper netting, and a pinched ankle, this AJ4 ensures a refined, luxury on-foot feel while staying true to the iconic silhouette. Alongside the sneaker, A Ma Maniere is dropping a full winter capsule, including a puffer jacket, $700, Coach's jacket, $550, Nylon Varsity, $680, Nylon Jacket, $605, and Nylon Pants, $600. Available in sizes M3.5 to M15 for $225. This Air Jordan 4 combines craftsmanship, storytelling, and style, making it a must-have for collectors and sneakerheads looking to close out the year in luxury.